Hello everybody. Okay, so this is for my convertible Metro. The headlights in those cars are just like anything from the early 90s with plastic headlights. They're pretty bad at this point. They're all yellowed and everything. I have a set out of another car because the originals for mine are shattered. This one hasn't been sanded yet, and you can also tell that there's a condensation problem with that. But that's an original. That one, you know, it's pretty bad. You can tell from looking at it that it's milked out pretty bad and burned up and everything. Now this one, I just got done sanding, and I'm going to clear it, and I'm going to show you what it looks like with it cleared. But you can already tell a difference between the sanded headlight and the not sanded headlight. I have a couple other ones that I can make a comparison to that hasn't been messed with yet. So I hope you just enjoy this video. So I wanted to show you what they look like. I know I made a short little thing showing them when I got done sanding them last night, but I didn't show clearing them. You can use your imagination, I guess, on that, but that is 4 coats of clear, 3 light coats, and 1 heavy coat. It's cold in here. The last thing I wanted to do was run them off, run it off on the floor. So that is what I would consider 90% from where they were. If you look closely at them, there's still a couple spots that are yellowish, but those are original Geo Metro headlights. They're old. They were in the sun 30 years. You know, they're not going to be perfect. But I might accidentally be able to see at night now driving that car, so that's an improvement. I am considering getting something, like I said, LEDs for them or something, so they're bright. Because I know driving my dad's car, he's got a convertible too, they're terrible. The headlights on those cars get terrible. When they're yellowed like that, you can't see 10 foot in front of that car. So that's really the first time I've ever seen a set of Metro headlights that were clear. So I hope you just liked this little short video. And you got any questions, just go ahead and ask, and I'll answer them in the comments. That was automotive clear, by the way. It wasn't in a can or nothing. I actually sprayed that out of a gun. So, and I've done this before, just not on a Metro. My Neons had a set of cleared headlights for 4 years now, and they still look as good as they did the day I painted them. So anyway, you got any questions, comments, tell me what you think. I'll see you again next time.